Healthy energy boosts. You're low on energy and the day has just begun. What do? Most Americans will start pouring a second, maybe third, cup of coffee or reach for an energy drink or shot. However, there are healthier options to boost your energy. Boost your energy tips. Try the following: energy snacks. Healthy snacks can refresh you. Apples, with their vitamin C and antioxidants, can give you energy. When you're dehydrated, your body loses energy, so drink water for a quick pick-me-up. Yogurt is a great snack that'll give you energy and keep you full. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and peanuts are protein-packed, energy capsules. Exercise. Physical exercise will help trim your waist and wake up your brain. Consider doing push-ups or jumping jacks in your office. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Do some stretches to encourage blood circulation. Walk outside, in the sunshine, so necessary nutrients, vitamin D, can be absorbed from the sun through your skin. Aromatherapy. If you're looking to freshen up your home or office and re-energize, consider aromatherapy. Scents such as peppermint, jasmine, and citrus, lemon, orange, grapefruit, etc., are said to be energizing. Consider lighting candles, buying incense, or keep the scented oils in your bag. Or rejuvenating techniques. If you're looking for quick techniques to rejuvenate yourself, consider a 5-minute meditation. Slouching can restrict your breathing, so straightening your posture can help you feel alert. Cold water splashed on your face can also be refreshing. Other ideas. If you're looking for another way to re-energize yourself, consider a brain teaser. Puzzles can be a great distraction from work and can awake your brain. Fresh flowers will not only brighten any room, they can also have a calming effect on you.